How to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can fix if your Android phone is showing no service or no SIM card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Such kind of issue can be caused by various reasons such as software glitches, incorrect settings, SIM card issue, or even the hardware problem. So we will see one by one. First of all, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart often fixes your glitches. So restart your device and check whether that will help you solve your problem or not. If that's not your case, then the second option is to look for the airplane mode. If airplane mode is on in the device, then your phone disconnects from the network. So swipe down your quick settings here, swipe to your left, and there you will have airplane mode. Make sure that it is turned off. If you have turned on your airplane mode, then that might be the reason in your SIM card or your network. If that still does not help you, recheck your SIM card. Sometimes a misaligned or damaged SIM can also cause the problem, so check your SIM card. And the next option is to go through your settings. So open up settings in your device. Tap on the first option, that is network and internet. Here head towards mobile network. Select your preferred SIM that is not working. After that, scroll down a bit. And here you can automatically select network to choose the network manually. If this still does not help you, then you can also check your SIM card status. For that, you have to head back to the settings, scroll down a bit and head towards about device, and here tap on SIM card status, and here you can have the SIM card status and check if the network is detected or not from this interface. If this still does not help you, make sure that your device is up to date. Sometimes a software update can fix bugs causing the same issue. So once you're under the settings page, you have to tap on system. On the system, you will have software update. If there is any pending updates available, make sure to install them all. After that, check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you can reset your network settings. Again, from your settings page, scroll down a bit, head towards the system. Under system, there is reset options, so tap on it. And here you have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it. But here you have to be careful about one thing, that this will erase all of your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile settings, and it will reset such settings. So if you are okay with that, then you can reset your settings. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and check whether this will help you solve your problem or not. If this still does not help you, then you have to contact your network provider. Your SIM may be deactivated or there could be an outage, so you can call your provider or visit their service center. So these are some of the steps that will help you fix if you see no service or no SIM card in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.